Hi students, today we are going to discuss about trigonometry 10th class 11th chapter exercise 11.4 first bit. Evaluate the following. First one 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cos theta minus cosecant theta. Solution 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cos theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. First of all, LCM by cos theta 1 into cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into first of all LCM by sin theta 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal cos theta plus sin theta ని a అనుకుంటే b 1 ని b అనుకుంటే a plus b into a minus b. We know that a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A square equal to cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus b square b equal 1 square by cos theta into sin theta cos theta into sin theta equal cos theta ని a అనుకుంటే sin theta ని b అనుకుంటే a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square a equal to cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2 into a cos theta into b equal sin theta minus 1 square means 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta place లో 1 రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus 1 minus 1 cancel equal 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta, cos theta sin theta cancel equal 2. Second one sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Solution sin theta ని a అనుకుంటే cos theta ని b అనుకుంటే a plus b whole square a minus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. equal a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2 into a equal sin theta into b equal to cos theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2 into a equal to sin theta b equal to cos theta equal plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta cancel. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta equal, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta place లో 1 రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, 1 ప్లస్ sin square theta plus cos square theta place లో 1 రాసుకుందాం, 1 equal 1 plus 1 2. Third one, secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. Solution, secant square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta minus 1 equal, first of all LCM by cos square theta 1 minus 1 into cos square theta cos square theta into, first of all LCM by sin square theta 1 minus 1 into sin square theta sin square theta equal, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta equal 1 plus cos square theta transposing to right hand side minus cos square theta. Cos square theta equal to plus sin square theta transposing to right hand side 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta place లో sin square theta అని రాయొచ్చు కదా, sin square theta by cos square theta into 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta place లో cos square theta రాయొచ్చు కదా, cos square theta by sin square theta, sin square theta cancel, cos square theta cancel equal 1.